Food is more than just something we eat. It connects us to the earth and to each other. At Hursey Montessori, there is a school garden beside the playground. At first, the children thought it was just a place for plants. But soon, they discovered it was much more. When they planted tiny seeds, they learned about patience. Each day they watered and waited, and slowly, green sprouts pushed through the soil. The garden became their classroom. Measuring garden beds taught them math. Observing roots and leaves taught them science. Sharing harvests taught them kindness. And best of all, when they cooked what they grew, they discovered that healthy food could taste delicious.
Hello! My name is Wiggle, and I am here with my friend Kanai. Hi, Kanai!
Hi, Mr. Wiggles.
Oh, thank you so much for having me in your garden.
You're welcome, no problem.
Oh, how much did you like this garden?
This garden is pretty nice. I love it, actually.
Why?
We have fruits and vegetables we can actually take home.
Did you get to eat them?
Yes, actually. We got to try cantaloupe and watermelon last week.
Oh, that's delicious! What did you think that a seed needs first? Sun, water, or soil?
A seed, it really needs soil first, and then it needs water, and then it needs the sun, and the process of that is called photosynthesis.
How does this tiny seed become food on our plate?
It starts with the seed to the roots, to the stem, to the leaves, and then we harvest it, and then we just cook it, and we eat it up.
What? That sounds delicious!
Yes, it is.
Who is your favorite garden helper? Worms, bees, butterflies, or people?
I really like bees because bees, they pollinate our plants and they help them grow. When I was here, I liked to harvest rosemary and I like to use it with my mama, and I water plants. I used to help her with the chickens, and yeah.
The garden wasn't just about vegetables. It was about growing stronger bodies, brighter minds, and kinder hearts. So whenever someone asks, "Why do we have a garden at school?" the children would smile and say, "Because a garden grows more than food. It grows us."